Ferdinand Magellan docked at the port of Cebu and established the first Spanish foothold in the archipelago. Magellan befriended Raja Humabon, the chief of Cebu, which was a thriving port at the center of the archipelago. Humabon and his wife, Humamay, were later baptized and took the names Carlos and Juana. Queen Juana asked for the Santo Niño to be presented to her, and Magellan gladly gave the image as a symbol of peace and friendship between the Spaniards and the Cebuanos. On April 27, the Battle of Mactan occurred, where the Spaniards were defeated and Magellan was killed by Lapu-Lapu. Survivors of the Magellan expedition brought tales of a savage island in the east with them when they returned to Spain. And in the island of Cebu, some Cebuanos soon returned in worshiping their animals, and the Santo Niño soon returned.
Cebu, 1565. Cebu continued to be a major trading port in the east when the Spaniards left after Magellan was killed in the island of Mactan. 1565, exactly 44 years to the day Magellan was killed, Miguel Lopez de Legazpi arrived in Cebu to begin colonization and to conquer the island. Because of resistance by the chief of Sugbu, now Raja Tupas, the big port settlement was burned to the ground. However, one house was apparently spared from destruction. The day after, on April 28, 1565, the soldier named Juan de Camus chanced upon the house, and later, while inspecting it, discovered a pine box tied with ship's rope, and after opening it, found the image of the Holy Infant still intact. After finding the image of the Holy Infant, as if he patiently waited to be found, thus begun Cebu's enduring faith to the child Jesus. Moro Moro is the original dance form from which today's Sinulog prayer dance evolved. Blessed with an abundance of natural resources, the Cebuanos tilled the land and fished the vast oceans, believing in divine providence, ever grateful and faithful to the Señor Santo Niño. In 1565, the Augustinians started their mission in the island of Cebu, building stone churches and spreading Christianity in the archipelago. 1965 was another year of jubilation in Cebu when the San Agustin Church was declared Basilica Minore del Santo Niño by Pope Paul VI. Celebrating 50 years of the Basilica Minore del Santo Niño, we present Paso Doble, a Spanish-inspired dance which traces its roots to the municipality of Argao. '80, the birth of the Sinulog sa Subo.
Ang mga nagkalain-laing sugilanon mahitungod sa pagkawala o pagtimaw sa balaang Santo Niño nagsukad pa sa pagsugod sa atong dibusyon. Ang mga sugilanon mahitungod sa iyang pagpakita na hiabot na sa lain-laing lugar sa kalibutan nga naghisgot usab sa mga kinaiya o batasan sa atong balaang Santo Niño. Ang usa ka sugilanon nagsugyot na si Santo Niño may pagkasiap. Mawala siya sa iyang urna, kunya sa sunod adlaw, mupatimaw nga daghan kaayong amorsiko nga namilit sa sidsid sa iyang kalsunis. Santo Niño sabkuno kay mahilig nga magsuroy-suroy sa daplin sa dagat. Kung magabi unya, muuli sa basilika nga basa ang sidsid sa karsones nga nanimahong tubig sa dagat. Usa ka adlaw, diha ko ni bata nga kulot ang buhok nga nangutang isda sa usa ka mangingisda. Misulti ang bata na dito lang daw sa basilika. Sukto bayan. Pagpaningil sa mangingisda dito sa basilika, nahibulong ang mga pari kay wala man kuno siya'y isugo nga bata nga magpalit og isda. Apan nahibulong lang sila kay diha sa tiilan sa imahen ni Santo Niño, dunay mga isda na nakita.
In celebration of the 450th year of the discovery of the image of the Holy Child Jesus, Señor Santo Niño, please welcome the Basilica Minore del Santo Niño Grand Choir with the song, The Gift of Faith to the Santo Niño.
Augustinian missionaries came to our archipelago. The seeds of the Christian faith and hope to sow. As one soldier found the image of Señor Santo Niño. Let us remember the precious time when we sounded compass the church's chime. Devotees all over the world paying him homage as a sign of grace. Yesterday, today, for all ages. Oh, holy infant Jesus, we all adore you.
Most Reverend Father Jonas Mejares, OSA.
Nagalakaw, naway tumong ang mga lakad mo. Huy-huy ang abaga, may luha ang mata, pagkabukat sa problema nga imong gidala. Apan ayaw lang kabalaka, ayaw kahadlok o higala, kay may paglaom pa. Hangad sa langit dayon iluhod ang mga tuhod mo, ayaw kahadlok sa pagsambit sa magbubuhat mo. Sa kanunay nagbulat siya sa imong pagtawag niya, kay kapupunon sa Ginoo nga magmalita yun ka. Lahong ng gagahion o nagmata ka pa, dilim matukip ang kibati nga kagulanan mo. Imo man untang naangko na ang tanang butang, kadto na may kahawaan, di masakit daw tunay kulat sa kinabuhi mo. Hangad sa langit dayon iluhod ang mga tuhod mo, ayaw kahadlok sa pagsambit sa magbubuhat mo. Sa kanunay nagbulat siya sa imong pagtawag niya, kay kapupunon sa Ginoo nga magmalita yun ka.
Hanggang sa langit tayo'y iluhod ang mga tuhod mo, ayaw kahadlok sa pagsambit sa magbubuhat mo.
Sa kanunay nagbulat siya sa imong pagtawag niya, kay kapupunon sa Ginoo iyang kalinaw matanggap ta mo ug magmalipa yun ka. Magmalipa yun ka, magmalipa yun ka.
As we celebrate the 50th year of the Basilica Minore del Santo Niño and the 450th year anniversary of the discovery of the holy image of Señor Santo Niño, we also celebrate the 35th of the Sinulog Festival in Cebu and throughout the world. A triple treat, a triple celebration. Viva Bid Señor!
Adore the miraculous Santo Niño. Shout praises to the beloved Holy Child. Just let the rhythm of the music keep you dancing all day long. Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva Bid Señor! Everybody all around the world, gather around for the Sinulog. Shout your praises to the Holy Child. Celebrate, sing Sinulog. See the people Celebrate Sinulog, Santo Niño Sinulog, dance the beat Sinulog, feel the heat Sinulog, celebrate Sinulog, Santo Niño Sinulog, dance the beat Sinulog, feel the heat Sinulog. Tangan magbit senyor Sinulog, siyagit ug kusog Bit senyor, tangan magsaulog Sinulog.
Time for you to get a move on. Sinulog time is here and you gotta groove on. Stomp your feet, feel the heat, hit the street. Get ready, get the rhythm. Anthony is the one, let us shout as one. Let us honor the child of the mighty one. So put your hands together and shout for more. Play and dance together. Everybody fit senor.
Let us adore the miraculous Santo Niño. Shout praises to the beloved Holy Child. Just let the rhythm of the music keep you dancing all day long. Everybody all around the world, now it's time for the Sinulog. Come and join us, praise the Holy Child. Celebrate Sinulog. Everybody all around the world, gather round for the Sinulog. Shout your praises to the Holy Child. Celebrate Sinulog. See the people dancing in their costumes in honor of Santo Niño de Cebu. Just let the rhythm of the music keep you dancing all day long. Celebrate Sinulog, Santo Niño Sinulog, dance the beat Sinulog, feel the heat Sinulog. Celebrate Sinulog, Santo Niño Sinulog, dance the beat Sinulog, feel the heat Sinulog. Celebrate Sinulog.
Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva Pit Señor! Join me now in the countdown, ladies and gentlemen. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pit Señor! Chairman of the Sinulog Festival 2015 and our beloved Mayor of the City of Cebu, Mayor Michael Mike Rama, Vice Mayor Edgardo Lapela, and the Cebu City Councilors and Department Heads, and to the Sinulog Foundation Incorporated, headed by its President, Ricky Dakay, and the Board of Trustees, to Mr. Ricky Ballesteros, Executive Director of the Sinulog Foundation, and Ms. Dolores Suzara, Project Chair of the Sinulog Festival. Thank you very much and congratulations! Dancing as Festival Queens for a grand finale, Reina ng Aliwan 2009, Sean Elizabeth Maynard. Reina ng Aliwan 2010 and Miss Tourism International 2013, Rizini Alexis Gomez. Reina ng Aliwan 2011 and Miss Pagcor 2014, Rosalie Katakutan. Reina ng Aliwan 2012 and Miss Tourism International 2014, Dion Angeli Gomez. Reina ng Aliwan 2014, Steffi Rose Aberastory. Reina ng Aliwan 2013 and Miss Earth 2014, Jamie Harrell. All wearing Dino Lloren Creations, accessories by Simply Cebuana. Binibining Pilipinas Intercontinental 2014 and Miss Intercontinental 2014, Chris Stephanie Hanson, wearing an Alejandro Godinez original for the House of Salvador Malto. Accessories by Simply Cebuana. Makeup by Jonas Borges. Hair by Russi Makalua. Our storyteller, Madam Delia Villacastin, playing the role of Miguel de Legazpi, Gil Maningo. Playing the role of Pope Paul VI, Bob Campilan. Our 5 missionaries, June Oliver Figueroa, Jason Espina, Stanley Ortiz, Angelo Manapsal, and Enzo Pantilan. And our singing priest, the Reverend Father Jonas Mejares, OSA, Director of the Committee on Religious Activities and Rector of the Basilica Minore del Santo Niño de Cebu, with a special participation of Adi Bisnar, Anelo Pacheco, Alejandro Godinez Jr., Brian Cabajo, Doc Tiro, Arabel Panganiba Noel, and Joseph Navales. The University of the Visayas Folkloric Dance Troupe, choreographer Angelo Manapsal. The University of San Jose Recoletos Adelante Dance Troupe, choreographed by Rafael Matutino. The Cebu Normal University Folkloric Dance Troupe with choreographer Angelo Manapsal. The University of San Carlos Dance Troupe, choreographer Francita Pacana. The University of Cebu Dance Company, choreographer Victor Cuenco. The Mantawi Integrated Dance Company, choreographer June Oliver Figueroa. The Disco Jammers, choreographer Ryan Mayor. The Knapsack, choreographer Sinbeth Aureliano. The University of Cebu Norwegian Ship Owners Association Cadets. Special thanks to the President of University of Cebu, Attorney Augusto Go. The Poblacion Pardo Children's Organization, the Santo Niño Choral Group, and the Augustinian Friars. Videographer Alec Boliosa Stoting. Photographers Ray Dacalos and Archie Mercader. Special thanks to Father Pedro Galende, OSA, Angels in Stone, Manila, San Agustin Museum, 1996. Father Harold Rentonia, OSA, Vice Chairman and Chairman of the Commission on Palestinian Cultural Heritage, and Father Rick Anthony A. Reyes, OSA, Provincial Secretary. To all Cebuanos, maayong fiesta kanatong tanan. Happy Fiesta! Viva Pit Señor!